Okay, the hoist, I pulled it off. You can see the bearing shell is damaged. Hopefully you can see it. And this is the race here, the old race. So we're gonna replace this with my engineered unit. Let's see. Bring it up. Let's see if it fits, eh? Oh, come on. Pretty difficult up here. And it fits like a glove. Here you go. Engineered by Engeneerd motors. I could have made it a bit wider. Got to put some screws in here to hold it in place so it doesn't spin. And hang on. Got the shim here on top, which runs on the bearing. See? Okay. I'll put my two things on. Yep. See that I'm not fucking this up. Pretty difficult to work one-handed if you ever try to make a quick video like I do here. And standing on a table on top of the vise with one leg to reach. Okay, now this is going down, then the other one's going on top to lock it. And here, there's a second one. That's going to be it. It's going to run on the wheel bearing. Okay, thank you.